Here is how I made that banner in under 5 minutes. The first thing you want to do is go find a template for a YouTube banner off Google. Then you want to select the rectangle marquee tool and make a direct outline of the text and logo safe area. Once done, you want to select the rubber and you want to erase that. After that, right click on your mouse so you can see where it says select invest and click on that. Now this is completely optional, but I do it to help me when I'm designing. Select whichever color appeals to you. Once your template is prepared, it's time to start designing. What you want to do is create a new layer. Then you want to select the brush tool and fill in the middle. Then after that, you want to select gradient overlay on that layer. Now in my banner, I'm using a texture pack, which I know some of you might not have, which is why I plugged it in down below in the description. After selecting the paint splatter texture, copy and paste it into your design. Now you want to select the curvature pen tool and create a design like I've shown. After you've created your design, you want to make sure to press shape. Once shaped, you want to make sure that it's inside of the borders. Then what you want to do is select gradient overlay and add a gradient to it. With the gradient now added, now you can start adding text. Now here's the catch, I'm not actually going to show you how I created this text effect. Instead, I'm going to put a link to my previous video which covers how to create this. Once done, select the curvature pen tool once again and create a curved shape just as you did on the previous one. Now using the same colors which you used before but darker, create another gradient overlay. As you can see, throughout the whole process I've been making slight changes, and that's just the beauty of graphics. Once done, get a PNG of a Photoshop and a Canva logo. Now you might wonder why both those logos specifically. Well, it's because I make both Photoshop and Canva tutorials. When creating a YouTube banner, make sure to have fun with it. But remember, this is how an audience sees you at first. When they first see that YouTube channel, that YouTube banner will be popping at them, showcasing what you offer. Now this is optional, but what I like to do is I like to add a smaller version of the same text we made at the start, right in the corner or near it. Now once the small version of the text is placed somewhere, you want to create a final text tool. Now you want to make sure that the text fills the background, preferably using the text which you used at the start. Now this text will only be used in the background so it doesn't show too much, and it's just to add that final finish. Now choose a greyish colour and make sure to lower the opacity and fill size. Once done, crop out the excess and that's it, you are done. You finally have your own YouTube banner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other videos as I upload YouTube shorts every single day.